Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is ATP database, and also I'm going to show you how to provision Oracle ATP database from Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Just connect to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console. Now I'm going to create a Oracle Autonomous Database. In order to create a database, just you can click on the navigation menu, click on Oracle Database. Here you can see the option to create a autonomous database. As you know, Oracle Autonomous Database is a world first cloud-based data management solution that delivers automated patching, scaling, upgrading, including all routine database management activities without human intervention. Okay, so once you click on this Oracle database, it will show autonomous database option. You can just click on here. Okay. Now you can see the option to create your autonomous database. Okay. But make sure that you have to in the right compartment. Okay. You can select the proper compartment. Within the compartment, you are going to create a autonomous database so that you can manage all your database activities under the particular compartment. Okay, you can click on the create autonomous database option. Now you have to fill couple of details, right? You can give the compartment name here. So here you have to select compartment in which you would like to create a ATP database. Okay, if you click on here, you can show the multiple compartments. So this is the compartment where I am going to create my autonomous database, right? I'm going to select main compartment. Okay, and you can give the display name. It is a user defined display name. So what I'm going to do, just I'm going to give ATP database. Okay, so database name also I'm going to give the same name. Okay, you can give any name. To choose the workload type, by default it is enabled for data warehouse. Okay, if you are building for your own warehouse, then select the data warehouse. But when it's come to transaction processing, if you have OLTP kind of requirements, then you have to choose the transaction processing. When it's come to JSON, if you would like to store JSON data, you could use JSON database option. Basically, it is designed for developing non-SQL based applications using JSON documents. Okay, Apex. So if you are creating only for low code development, then you can select the Apex. Okay, you can use Apex. It is a limited feature. Okay, so for now I'm going to use, for our requirement, I'm going to select the transaction processing. Okay, build for transaction workloads, high concurrency for short running queries and transactions. Okay, this is the option I'm going to select. Next one is the select the development type. Autonomous database deployment types are two types. The first one is the serverless. Okay, by default it is selected. So basically we can select this option where ATP database run on the shared infrastructure. Okay, but sometimes customer would like to have dedicated server which will only for them, then you can select the dedicated infrastructure, but this will cost you more. Okay, next step is to configure the database. Okay, you can configure the database with free option. Okay, if you have any customized configuration, you can choose the database version. By default it's showing as 19C. You can mention eCPU count. Okay, and you can see the option is enabled, compute auto scaling. So basically this option will help you to extend your limit more than 3 times of the existing limit. Okay, so for your customized configuration, this compute auto scaling is enabled. Okay, you can give the storage and your storage limit. Okay, so but I'm going with the free option. You can select this option. Okay, so free tier will give you the provision to the ATP database freely with limited capacity. Okay, so I'm going to select database version here. Okay, you can give the username. It's a read only, you cannot change the name. So let me give the password. So I have provided a password, and now next step is to select the network access. Here you can see the 3 options. First one is the secure access from anywhere. Okay, so that means the service is public. That means database deployed in the public cloud, you can access from anywhere. Okay, so in that scenario, you can select the secure access from anywhere. The next one is the secure access from allowed IP and VCN only. Okay, sometimes customer would like to access autonomous database from trusted sources, right? If yes, then you can enable this service. Third one is the private endpoint access. Okay, so basically this is a paid one. By selecting this option, you could able to access the ATP database from private network, not from the public. Okay, it is available for the paid database only. Okay, so I'm going to select with the secure access from anywhere. Okay, so let's come down. So basically choose license and other database edition. Okay, if you want to select switch to bring your own license, you can click on here. Okay, this option type is disabled for me. When you select this option, okay, click on create it autonomous database option. Now it's starting enabling. As soon as autonomous database available, it will be accessible for you. Okay, so go back and wait for a few minutes. You can start accessing the database objects. Let's go back. Database. Okay, it's available. Once you provision the autonomous transaction, we can download the database credentials file in order to make a secure connection with your autonomous transaction processing database. So all contents in the database are encrypted. So in order to get your credentials, everything, you have to download your secured wallet file. Okay. So what I'm going to do, just click on your database. Okay. Once you click on database connection, it will show you all the details. Okay, so here you can select the wallet type as the instant wallet. Okay, this is the wallet which we are going to download now. Okay, download wallet. Now you have to provide a wallet password. Okay, this password we have to note down somewhere in order to connect with your SQL developer. So let me give the password. Make sure that you can note down this password. Download. So my wallet got downloaded now. Okay, these are the configuration details which you can download from the your ADB database connection. Okay, you have to note down service name, username, password, wallet password. So we just created a wallet password, and also this ADB database password we note down when we are creating a initial configuration. So after downloading the wallet, okay, we can use this TNS name ATP DB high as your service name. I just connect to the SQL developer. I'm going to connect to the autonomous database which we created just now. Click on new database connection. Give the meaningful name. Demo ATP database. So your username is admin. Okay, this is the default username. This password we created at the time of autonomous database configuration from the OCI. Okay, just provide that password. Let me paste the password. Okay, so the wallet password which we copied, right, that is useful when you are creating a connection from the OIC integration. But at the time of database configuration, you need only database password only. Okay, select the cloud wallet, browse, select the wallet file. Okay, test connection. So the connection is successful. Let's connect. Okay, this is the new connection which we created. Let me create a table. Create table. Okay, you can give the table name xx temp a where 2 10 comma b number. Okay, create the, I'm going to create a table. See, table is created. Okay, This is the steps how we can create a ATP database in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and how we can access from the SQL Developer. So I hope this session is very helpful for you. Please subscribe this channel and provide your valuable feedback.